Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use LANDR distribution in 2025, including uploading music, claiming your Spotify artist page, mastering, and pricing. Step 1. Sign in or create a LANDR account at landr.com. And then after you sign in, from the dashboard, click on Distribution or Distribute. Step 2. Upload your song or album. Fill out the metadata, which is the song name, artist, release date, and genre. Make sure that you upload a high-quality WAV file. Step 3. Choose your cover art. LandR requires a square image, at least 3000 by 3000 pixels, and make sure that it's copyright-free and clean. Step 4. Select platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and many more. LandR distributes to over 150 platforms worldwide. Step 5. Claim your Spotify artist profile through the LandR dashboard or at artists.spotify.com, and you will need your UPC code and artist name. Step 6. Use LandR's mastering tool before publishing. It analyzes your track and gives it a professional polished. You can also preview and tweak before applying it. Step 7. Pricing. LandR offers a la carte subscription-based options. Distribution starts around $9 per month or pay per release. And now, you can use your music ready for the world, fully mastered and distributed to top platforms. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.